In this tutorial, we will simply learn that how we can find the distance between 2 points within the MATLAB. For it, we need to write point 1 is equal to 1 and 2. Then we need to write point 2 is equal to 3 and 4. So point 1 is a matrix which contains 1 and 2, and point 2 is also a matrix which contains 3 and 4. So we have these two matrices. In order to find the distance between them, we need to write norm of x minus y. So in this way, it will just calculate the distance between these 2 points like the 2-point distance formula. So we will write, okay, sorry, it's a point 1 minus point 2. So we will enter, and it is 2.82. So if we will try to manually solve it, like 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 whole square means 4. 4 minus 2 is also 2, and 2 square is 4. So actually it is like under root 8. So SQ RT of 8 will gives us the same thing. So in this way you can find the distance or Euclidean distance between 2 points by using this function or built-in command norm. So thanks for watching.